Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel Ars Live with me Argham Mayati, nutrition fitness trainer and a life coach. So here today I am going to talk about a topic related to nutrition, and before coming to the topic, I would like to tell you again, please do subscribe this channel and click the bell icon next to it, so then you will get the notification, and also do share these videos with your friends and families, so they will also can reach to me. Okay, so let's get back to the point, today's topic is very interesting. All we are just running behind this, where it is actually, and so then we can save our life at this present situation when we are suffering with this pandemic COVID-19. That is immunity, only immunity. And all we know, some myths are going on. Yeah, this, you take this one, you take that one, so then your immunity will go up. Actually, it's not going to be happen. Immunity is not a subject that you can feel with taking some specific food. It's a big subject, it's a vast subject, and it depends in many ways. So if I tell you that take this one, you will get a good immunity, it's not going to be happen. Definitely it will help you to some extent, but at the same time, if sometimes if it doesn't work, so it means that you need to settle down some other parts, so then it will work for you. Okay, so today here it is also it's not possible for me in this video to give you that vast information about this immunity. So therefore, because it will also difficult for you to understand the things in a single video, and also for me it's bit difficult because it depends in many ways, and therefore you need to go for any medical practitioner, or you need a thorough checkup. So thereafter I mean, somebody can come in conclusion what type of food you should take, and what type of things that you need to do. So it's a big subject. So in this context, I'll do one thing that the like many others, those are giving you some suggestions, take this food and that food. I'll be little bit more than that, in the sense, actually I'm not going to give you a single food description, and on the basic of this you will get those are the respective benefits from there. But at the same time, I'll give you some more options. Okay, so here in this if I give you that more options, so then it may be more constructive than a single food. Okay, so here I am going to give you a suggestion uh, about those are the respective vitamins. I mean, these are very much important to boost our immunity, and here I am going to talk about these 5 vitamins and its respective sources, so then you can add those respective food in your daily diet, and it may help you to boost your immunity. Definitely it works for immunity, but as I said, it's a big subject. So if it works for you, it's okay, but if it don't work for you, so definitely you let me know in comment below, so what kind of problem that you are getting, or what type of this. So definitely I'll try to bring that topic on my next, I mean, upcoming videos. So definitely, additionally, you can get a good idea on your immunity, and you can, I mean, somehow manage yourself to maintain yourself. So these are the 5 vitamins are vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, and vitamin E. Okay, so vitamin B means vitamin B complex, and there vitamin B12 is very much, I mean, if it, useful for immunity. Okay, so these are the vitamins. What I said again, I am telling you. Vitamin A, B means B12, C, D, E. Okay, so these are 5 vitamins are very much effective to boosting our immunity. So in this context, we have to know their respective sources, so then you can add those food in your diet. So number one, vitamin A. So vitamin A sources are milk, meat, eggs, mangoes, carrot, pumpkin. Okay, and also green leafy vegetables. Okay, so number 2, vitamin B12. So vitamin B12 you can get from basically protein foods. Okay, so that is meat, eggs, fish, dairy products, whatever you take, milk, whatever, I mean dairy products. Okay, now number 3, vitamin C. Vitamin C's sources are amla, in our regular food, broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage. Okay, then orange, grape, citrus food, that is limes. Okay, lime and lemons. Okay, so now fourth is vitamin D. So vitamin D sources are milk products. Okay, dairy products, and sunlights, very common two things actually. Number 5, vitamin E. Vitamin E you can get from leafy vegetables like spinach. Okay, egg yolks, meat. Okay, and also you can get it from nuts. Okay, whole grains. So these are all vitamin E sources. So these are the respective sources and foods that I have mentioned that you can add in your daily diet. So then it will help you to boost your immunity. Okay, immunity is a big thing, again I am saying, so it's not possible to cover up in a single video and tell you in a short brief. Okay, it needs to be settled down many other things as well, but at the same time, if other things is working well for you, definitely if you add respective foods in your daily diet, then so definitely it will work for you. But at the same time, if having any issues in other ways, so definitely it will, you need to get a good thorough checkup. Okay, so now after this, here I would like to mention some points where you need to be aware of when you are using these respective foods for boosting your immunity. So there are two main points I would like to mention to you, that when you are using vitamin C, don't take vitamin C foods much, because if you take much vitamin C, so definitely your absorption rate will be decreased. Okay, so therefore whatever you are taking, it will be absorbed slowly, so therefore it will not utilize by your body that the way it should be. Also also another way, if someone taking vitamin C, those are having some kidney issues, definitely he needs to be aware of, and before taking vitamin C he needs to be get a he needs to ask his doctor that how much he needs to take, and or he needs to actually take that one or not. Okay, because vitamin C creates some issues, those are having that kidney problems. Okay, kidney stones and all. And then number 2, I'll mention that vitamin B12. Okay, similarly vitamin C, vitamin B12, if you take much, so definitely it will reduce the absorption rate. Okay, the pace will be reduced, and therefore you want the food you are taking, it will be not absorbed the way it should be, and therefore it will not be utilized by the body the way it should be. And therefore your we are talking right now, that to boost your immunity is not going to be happen that way it should be. Okay, so ultimately you are not getting that much of benefit from your foods that you are adding in your diet, so that will be slow down. Okay, so that's all from here. So hope you will this will be helpful for you, and you will be interested to add this kind of foods in your diet. And also again I am saying, it's not a single thing that if I tell you your immunity system will go up at a at a high rate, it's not going to be happen. but at the same time this will help you. Definitely you should try once that, yeah, if it's working for you, you don't have any issues, okay. If you are not feel that it's sufficient for you, definitely let me know in comment below, definitely what are the problems is going up, and is it possible for me to for me to sort it out. Definitely I'll tell you, or otherwise you have to go for any thorough checkup in some way. Okay, so that's all for now. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please click the like button, and also, as you know, share with your friends and families. So that's all for now, and hope you are all well and fit. And also I would like to tell you that please be safe in this scenario when you are suffering from this pandemic, and the number of cases growing day by day, and we have been, it's a something that morbid situation. Okay, so thank you very much for giving your precious time to me. Thank you.